Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the random stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to unsave multiple posts in Instagram. If you have a lot of saved posts and you want to unsave them, all of them at once or just selected, but doing that one by one is going to be a hectic task. So I will just show you how to do that in a simple way. We are going to use the unsaver for Instagram Google Chrome extension, and I will provide the link for the extension down in the description. After opening the link, just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and the extension is now added to your Chrome. Now just go to the Instagram and log in your ID and go to saved posts, and now you just have to select the post that you want to unsave. You just select this way and then just click on unsave selected, and there you go, the selected posts have been unsaved. Now as you can see, there's no more of them. Now if you want to unsave all of the posts, just click on unsave all, and all your post is unsaved. As you can see, there is no saved post left. So this is how simple it was. Just you have to go to the extension and add it to your Chrome and just follow my steps. I hope you found the video helpful. If you do, press the like button, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.